In this video, we will be discussing the Kind E-3000 whole house water filter and salt-free softener combo, our most popular system. The Kind E-3000 is the ultimate whole house water filter and salt-free softener combo for your home, giving you the best of both worlds, whole house water filtration and salt-free softening, providing you with better than bottled water quality from every tap throughout your entire home, all while protecting your plumbing and appliances from damaging effects from hard water scale buildup. Our Kind E-3000 is a multi-stage system addressing every aspect of your water. First, a 20-inch 5-micron pleated sediment filter eliminates particles of dirt, sand, silt, clay, rust, and other debris, filtering down to 20 times smaller than the size of a human hair. Our premium pleated filter technology allows the filter to be cleaned up to 4 times if needed prior to replacing. Next, our carbon filter utilizes the most advanced technology in whole house water filtration available today. Its high-performance catalytic activated coconut carbon addresses chlorine, chloramines, lead, pharmaceuticals, PFOAs, PFASs, pesticides, herbicides, and hundreds more. Say goodbye to dry, itchy skin and damaged hair from the harsh chlorine and chemicals in your water. Finally, our proprietary eSoft salt-free water softener cartridge fully protects your home by preventing and removing existing hard water scale buildup, protecting your home's plumbing and appliances from the damaging effects of hard water scale. The Kind E-3000 was designed to be one of the easiest systems on the market to install and maintain. The system comes with everything you need to get started. Our compact system is wall-mounted for easy maintenance and saves you valuable floor space. It's literally only 2 connections. Filter changes only take a few minutes and require no additional tools. The 5-micron pleated sediment filter and carbon block filter are easily replaced once a year for optimal performance. The eSoft salt-free softener cartridge does not require replacement due to the fact that it's a pure physical alteration, not a chemical alteration. We also offer a convenient auto-ship program with discounted filter replacements. Why choose a Kind water system? Kind water systems are the ultimate in performance and quality and come with a lifetime warranty and 120-day 100% satisfaction guarantee. Our water filter experts, together with our best-in-class customer service team, are available to answer any questions you may have. Join the thousands who've discovered why better water is easy with Kind Water.